Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best origami paper and book is probably one of the most versatile and accessible tools for anyone looking to explore the art of paper folding, offering a gateway into a world of creativity and intricate designs that can range from simple, elegant shapes to complex, breathtaking sculptures, making it an ideal starting point for beginners and a valuable resource for seasoned origami enthusiasts seeking new challenges and inspiration. Number 5. Gamenote Colorful Origami Kit. Discover the Gamenote Colorful Origami Kit, a delightful way for kids and adults to explore the art of paper folding. It's perfect for beginners and seasoned crafters alike. Craft with confidence using our premium quality paper. It's durable, eco-friendly, and free from any harmful substances, ensuring safe and long-lasting creations. This kit includes 120 sheets of double-sided, vivid origami paper in various sizes, plus practice sheets. The colors are bright and designed to last. Explore a world of imagination with 54 unique patterns. Create charming flowers, animals, rockets, and more, fostering creativity and exploration. Our comprehensive 55-page manual makes origami accessible for everyone. It's an ideal activity for children over 4 and their parents to enjoy together. Enjoy a clean and engaging crafting experience. This high-quality paper requires no glue, making it a perfect activity for home or leisure time. What we like. This kit offers premium eco-friendly paper that is not easy to tear or curl. It comes with 54 different projects and an instructional book, making it perfect for beginners and kids. If you are looking for a comprehensive and safe origami experience for young children, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The paper is thin and easy to fold, making it perfect for beginners. The book includes a variety of designs, from simple to complex, catering to all skill levels. The paper is colorful and vibrant, adding a beautiful touch to finished origami projects. Number 4. Origami Paper 500 Sheets 20 Vibrant Colors. Unleash your imagination with our premium origami paper. Perfect for creating animals, flowers, and more, it's ideal for all your arts and crafts projects. Get incredible value with 500 sheets in 20 vivid colors, including metallic options. The 6x6 inch size is perfect for any project you have in mind. Craft with confidence. Our high-quality paper won't tear or curl, yet it folds easily and holds creases perfectly. The double-sided color makes every project a breeze. Enjoy crafting with our non-toxic, odor-free paper. Its smooth edges ensure safe handling, making it a durable and economical choice for all your creative endeavors. We are committed to providing you with valuable art supplies. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a return or exchange policy for your peace of mind. Expand your crafting horizons. This versatile paper is also perfect for card making, scrapbooking, and other DIY crafts, making it a must-have for creators of all ages. What we like. This is a value pack with 500 sheets in 20 vibrant colors, plus a 100 design ebook. The paper is high quality, easy to fold, and won't tear. If you are a frequent origami artist or need a large quantity of paper for various crafts like card making and scrapbooking, this bulk pack is ideal. What people say. The paper is thin and easy to fold, making it perfect for beginners. The book includes a variety of designs, from simple to complex, so there's something for everyone. The paper is colorful and vibrant, adding a nice touch to finished origami projects. Number 3. HPST Origami Paper, 1100 Sheets. Unleash your creativity with these high-quality origami sheets. They hold a crease perfectly, won't tear easily, and feature vibrant colors on both sides for stunning creations. Gather the family for a screen-free bonding experience. These colorful papers are perfect for creating unique art pieces together, suitable for all ages and skill levels. New to origami? We've got you covered. Access our exclusive online video course to learn simple patterns for beginners and challenging designs for advanced crafters. Your box includes 1,100 double-sided origami papers, perfectly cut to 6x6 inches. They come in a variety of vibrant colors, ensuring beautiful crafts for any design. We've designed these papers for your satisfaction. They are made to endure crisp folds and resist tearing, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable crafting experience. Your purchase is backed by a lifetime warranty. If you're not completely satisfied, return them for a refund. We're here to assist you. What we like. This option provides an impressive 1,100 sheets of double-sided origami paper and includes a link to an exclusive online video course. The paper is easy to fold and holds creases well. If you are serious about origami, want to learn advanced techniques, and appreciate a lifetime warranty for peace of mind, this is the set for you. What people say. The paper is thin and easy to fold, making it perfect for beginners. The book includes a variety of designs, from simple to complex, suitable for all skill levels. The instructions are clear and concise, with helpful diagrams that make it easy to follow along. Number 2. HAPRAY Origami Kit for Kids. Discover the joy of origami with this fun and engaging kit. It's designed to spark imagination in young artists. This set comes with plenty of paper, featuring a wide variety of colorful and unique designs. The size is just right for all sorts of creations. The paper is made for a great folding experience. It's durable and holds creases well, perfect for little hands learning new skills. Learn to fold with ease thanks to the detailed instruction book. It guides you through simple to complex designs, making it accessible for everyone. This kit is more than just a craft, it's an activity that helps develop fine motor skills and creativity. Enjoy quality time creating together. We're here to help if you have any questions. Our customer care team is ready to ensure you have a wonderful experience. What we like. This kit is packed with 152 sheets featuring 72 unique patterns and a comprehensive 96-page instruction book. It's designed for children aged 5 to 8 and 8 to 12, focusing on fine motor skills and creativity. If you need a complete, engaging origami set with plenty of designs and detailed instructions for younger crafters, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The paper is thin and easy to fold. The book has a good variety of designs. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. Number 1. HAPRAY Origami Kit for Kids. Discover the joy of origami with this fun and engaging kit. It's perfect for young artists to explore their creativity. This kit comes with plenty of colorful paper, featuring 47 unique designs. The generous amount ensures hours of crafting fun. Crafted for a great folding experience, these papers are durable and hold creases perfectly. They are ideal for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Learn to create beautiful origami with our detailed 49-page instruction book. It guides you through simple to complex designs with ease. Engage in a rewarding activity that enhances fine motor skills and creativity. It's a wonderful way for the whole family to bond and learn. We are dedicated to providing excellent customer care. If you have any questions, we're here to help find a satisfactory solution quickly. What we like. This kit includes 98 sheets with 47 vibrant patterns and a 49-page instruction book, perfect for beginners and children. The paper is durable and holds creases well, offering a smooth folding experience. If you're looking for a slightly more compact but still feature-rich origami kit for kids or as a gift, this offers great value and a good introduction to the craft. What people say. The paper is a good size for most origami projects. The book includes clear, step-by-step instructions for various models. The paper folds crisply and holds creases well, which is essential for intricate designs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.